This is the graphical user interface of Russian multiplication. This is the label, this is the label, this is the label. This is also a label, and this is the input field for n1, this is the input field for n2, and this is the field to display the product of these two numbers, and this will be used to generate the result by multiplying n1 and n2 with the help of the Russian multiplication. Let's move to its code. Okay, so I have imported the user interface file russian.ui here, and then I have linked the button. Then I have written the condition to validate the user input. Okay, uh, for n1 it is the condition that n1 must be greater than equal to 2 and must be less than equal to 100, and similarly for the n2. Otherwise it will display the error invalid input. Please enter the integer between 2 and 100, and this is the function to calculate the product. Here I am using the set function arrays divis and mult, and this is the further working of these divis and mult arrays, where the loop will run until n1 is greater than equal to 1, and then this is the result variable, the sum of the mult, and similarly these variables divis will be calculated and added to the result variable, and then this result variable will be used here to show the output in the product field. Okay, let's run it. You can see the application has been run successfully. I am entering number 1 and number 1 again, or let me put 0. Check the behavior of the application display. Here we can see the error has been occurred, and it is showing the message, please enter integers between 2 and 100. Okay, now we need to change the integers here. Now let's see if it works. Yes, it is working. And if I sorry for the cough, exceed, or you can say overflow the value than 100, let's see what it says. It again saying please enter integer between 2 and 100. So I will skip this one and click on display, and you can see the result, which is correct. Okay, now changing into result is changing, the application is working smoothly. Okay,